Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So many of us are confused like mine Instagram account is a business account or a creator account. So how can you know what is the type of account you have it? It's a creator account or a business account. So in this video I will show you in my mobile screen how to know. First of all, you need to open your account. Click on this three line and below you will see the option as creator tools and control. So here, from here you can understand it's a creator account, and even here you can check. After clicking on this, scroll and click on switch account type. So you are getting an option to switch to a business account or a personal account. That means this is a creator account. So now in my second account I will show you same thing. We'll click on three line. Here you can see business tools and control. This is my business account. If I will click on this, when I will click on switch account type, here it will be creator and personal account. So in this way you can easily know your account is a creator account or a business account. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.